I'm a realtor. I'm not a licensed mortgage broker. I know enough to be dangerous, but I know people that do and that are licensed in mortgage lending that can give you excellent, honest, advice and tell you exactly how it is. And you should talk to an accountant. Have a team put together. And part of that team, and here's where I will, pitch myself. Part of that team would be a great realtor who knows the area and give you honest advice, and that would be me. But I'm just one part of the puzzle.
Right. But you are a part of the puzzle who knows other people who have proven themselves to be trustworthy and knowledgeable in the spaces that somebody's going to need covered for those teams.
Absolutely. Yeah? And the investor I was just giving you an example of, she did not have a lender on her side that knew what they were doing until she spoke with me. And now she absolutely loves the lender, calls them, all the time just to chat about random stuff. They've actually become good friends.
Okay. And has made some money along the way. It's nothing like
Correct.
doing business and making great money with people you like doing business and making great money with, right? So
that's the perfect world.
There you go. So there's lots more that we could talk about with regard to what's going on. And we have a limited amount of time. I think we're at we're coming up on about 30 minutes right now, and I don't want to push it much beyond that. But what I'd like to do is just ask you. I'd like to keep doing these. I think these are informative pieces, and I'd like to do a couple more. And we just meet each month, maybe, or each week, or whatever you want to do. But I'd like to have you, do it again. Let's invest. Let's invest a little time and go a little deeper, and let's help some people make some money, because I know that's where your heart is. And it's about resting. I get it. And more that you're talking, the more I'm thinking I probably need to invest in resting myself. But
I know a great realtor.
I know you do. I do too. But I want to come back and revisit some more things, maybe go into a little more detail. Maybe we can even come back together and have a discussion about, at least at a high level, what does it look like to put together a team that can really help you? I know that you figured out ways to put teams of these people together where you're not paying them some upfront money. These guys are coming alongside of you because they're doing what they do, right? Mm-hmm. And they're just adding value in the form of information on how you can actually benefit as you're buying and selling these properties, making your best deal on the way in, making as much money as you can on the way out, of course. How you can hold inventory. There's all kinds of things that I know that you could teach the listeners. And so, can I encourage you? Can I convince you that we should do that?
I think I think I'm okay. I think I'll pass. No, I'm kidding. Absolutely, I would love to.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. All right. So the next time we come back together, we'll talk about that. Okay. For right now, I think this is a tremendous insight, and I would encourage. And hopefully you won't have a problem with this, that people would just leave a comment if they got questions about any of this stuff, or they want some more detail on the 45-year plan or the 30-year plan, or whichever one we're talking about, or the Metro, right? Any of these things, that they would just leave you a comment and just say, hey, can you reach out to me? Because I know you'll respond to them. You're big into the social media piece, and I know that you're about responding to people who ask questions and getting people educated. So.
Yeah, absolutely. I encourage people to leave a comment, contact me. I mean, on average, I get, probably about one or two, emails or texts or phone calls or even IMs, every other day from random people who've seen, things I've done on Trulia and other places, and they have questions. And if I can help, absolutely. And if I can't, I'll point you in the right direction of someone that knows. So,
okay. And they can visit. And they can visit your site, right?
Absolutely.
Which is condosinreston.com or?
Condosinreston.com. That is correct.
Okay. All right.
And you can also find me Condos in Reston on Twitter and Condos in Reston on Facebook page.
Awesome. Okay. So basically, if they look for Condos in Reston pretty much anywhere, they're going to find you. And I'm sure we're going to end up seeing a YouTube channel called Condos in Reston at some point too, based upon the fact that I know that you like video, and that's a great medium for us to use to get the information out there for you guys. So I want to thank you for giving us 30 minutes of your time and tons of your knowledge, and not charging us $100 or even $100,000 for the information. So thanks so much.
I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. Talk to you soon. See you.
All right, thanks.